MGF have been working in conjunction with the Working Well Together group to ensure local subcontractors are up to date with best practices within the temporary works industry, the shoring industry. So what we do, we get the local contractors in, go through the latest legislation, changes in the industry, we'll go through how to complete a temporary works design brief, complete a temporary works design, go through impacts of change, and then the second part of that session will comprise of guys going outside, actually excavating a trench, installing the equipment, using what we see to be as best practice, and they'll take away what best practice is, take that back to their own working places and implement that to ensure that excavations they carry out in the future will be carried out in a safe manner.
Working Well Together is a national campaign aimed at raising awareness and improving health and safety in the construction industry. We've had excellent feedback and done research to prove that the events are actually reaching the right audience, and these are the smaller companies who find it difficult to get hold of health and safety information.
Site where we're going to be carrying out the practical today for the Working Well Together event. We've gone through the classroom brief, the classroom session with the Ways earlier on, and Anthony, we're going to be now doing the practical outside here on this bit of land which comprises of a sheet and whalers dig. As the dig progresses, we'll be asking the attendees to get involved so they can get an understanding of the practical side and how to install the equipment safely.
I found today very informative. The classroom aspects of the training that we've done, it's really reinforced the need to follow designs, as well as obviously getting the designs done in the first place and the provision of the information. I think the use of the animations to give an overview of how the equipment should be installed correctly is really important as well. And I'll be certainly using them as part of training for ourselves and toolbox talks to reinforce the need to follow safe working practices. The course is it's invaluable for the guys, no matter how much experience they think they've got. I think it's really important that they're refreshed and reminded on the safe way to do things.
We've got out the tablet which has the design and the installation video, so the guys can see exactly what's meant to be happening at each stage, and all the latest information's there, not just for here today but for also every excavation that gets carried out. It just means the information's readily available and it's accessible.
I found the course to be really interesting. Not only the classroom environment, which was extremely informative, but also the practical bit as well. It's tapping into the way people learn. You know, some people learn visually, other people learn what's written on paper, and this is sort of covering all aspects. I also found that it was great that you can actually take the tablet on site. It would be really useful within toolbox talks to actually show the animation to the lads on site, just really showing them what they're going to be doing and how to do it correctly.